Biology Part 94. Such adjustments are possible because body temperature is constantly monitored by heat-sensitive sense organs called thermoceptors. There are two types of thermoceptors in the skin. Cold receptors show a maximum response at about 30 degrees Celsius, while warm receptors have their maximum response at about 40 degrees Celsius. Signals from these receptors pass to the hypothalamus and cerebral cortex region of the brain, giving rise to conscious sensations, cold and warmth. They refer to accordingly, and they are found in figure as well. The temperature of the body core is monitored by the central thermoceptors located in the hypothalamus. These respond to the changes in the temperature of the blood passing through. The hypothalamus is believed to contain separate cold and warm control centers. Each center inhibits the activity of others so that they can not be active at the same time. Depending on the signal arriving from the sense organs, either center may initiate a whole series of appropriate responses, as explained below. Number 1. Thermogenesis. The chemical reaction of the metabolism generates heat, especially in active organs like the liver. The amount of heat is given out in this way cannot be reduced below a definite minimum level known as the basal metabolic rate. On the other hand, heat production is increased by muscle contraction during exercise. Brief repeated contractions called shivering can be very effective in helping to prevent a drop in body temperature in cold conditions. Metabolic rate is also affected by the hormones, notably the adrenaline or thyroxine. These may play some part in long-term adjustment or acclimatization to new conditions, but are of minor importance in short-term responses. Number 2, the vasodilation and vasoconstriction. Heat is transferred from the thermal core of the body to the surface layers, mainly by the blood. In body to the surface layers, mainly by the blood. In hot conditions, the erythroids leading to the capillary loops of the skin are dilated, allowing large volume of blood to flow through. The response is called vasodilation. Heat transferred from blood to the epidermis is lost at the surface mainly by radiation. In cold conditions, the opposite response called vasoconstriction takes place. As you can see that the arterioles leading to the capillary loops are constricted in the sphincter muscles, causing blood to be diverted through shunt vessel located in the subcutaneous layer. In this way, very little heat is lost. In some parts of the body, blood flow to the skin can be reduced by as much as 99%, and in the case of figures exposed to the cold. Number 3, sweating. Evaporation heat loss from the skin occurs continually by diffusion of water through the skin. This loss may amount to 600 to 800 cubic centimeter per day and is called insensible perspiration. In hot conditions, evaporates heat loss is increased by secretion of sweat from exerine glands. Sweat is a very dilute solution containing the salt, urea, and lactic acid.